In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit custom HTML email template on Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own HTML into a campaign and make quick edits right inside Mailchimp's builder without breaking your layout. First, open your browser and head to Mailchimp.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Campaigns area. This is where all of your draft and sent campaigns live. Click Campaigns to open the list and choose a draft you'd like to work with. If you don't see one yet, you can create a new campaign and return to this view later, but for now we'll continue with an existing draft so we can focus on the HTML. Inside the campaign editor, you'll see your layout on the right and the content panel on the left. Find the option to add a new section, then choose the block labeled Code or Custom HTML depending on your interface. Click it to select it, and then drag that block into your email layout where you want the custom content to appear. You can place it at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom, wherever it makes the most sense for your design. With the code block in place, the left panel will show a code editor. Paste your HTML into that panel. If you're importing a table or a full template, make sure your HTML is email friendly. Most email clients prefer table-based layouts and inline CSS, so include styles directly on your elements rather than relying on external style sheets. Keep your overall email width around 600 pixels for the best rendering. Use absolute URLs for any images, and avoid scripts or forms, which most email clients block. As soon as you paste the code, the preview on the right should update. If something looks off, scan your code for missing closing tags or nested tables that aren't aligned. You can edit the code right here to adjust text, colors, fonts, spacing, or links. When changing colors or fonts, do it inline so the styling sticks across different email clients. If you're using merge tags for personalization, confirm the syntax matches Mailchimp's format and stays inside the HTML where you expect it to appear. Use short descriptive alt text on images, and double check that your links use secure URLs. Small changes can make a big difference in deliverability and readability. That's it. You've added a code section, dragged it into place, pasted your HTML, and edited it directly in the Mailchimp editor. You're now ready to continue refining your campaign with confidence.